Daniel Usera. If the average lifespan was 40 years, how would you live your life differently? If the average human lifespan was 40 years, how would you live your life differently? Daniel Usera.
Warren Buffett does this little exercise with people who he mentors. And he says, make a list of 20 things that you want to do in your life. So you write down a list of 20 things that you want to accomplish in your life. And then he says, now order them from 1 to 20. So you order the list from 1 to 20, number 1 being the thing you really want to accomplish most, number 20 kind of being that nice to have. And then he says, circle the top 5. So you circle the top 5, and it makes sense why you would circle the top 5, because those are going to be the 5 most important. And then he says this, now draw a line, an X, if you will, between items 6 and 20. So you X out 6 and 20. And then he tells you this, from now on, you're only going to be doing 5 things in your life. These 5 things. And you will not take on a 6th thing until you accomplish one of the 5. And what he tries to teach you is that we only have so limited time and life. And there's so many things out there because the world is such a big place. There are so many opportunities, so many countries to see, 180 countries if I remember right. How many of you have been to more than one country? How many of you have been to 10 countries? How long does it take to go to a country? It takes a couple days of vacation, all this stuff. We don't have time to go to all the countries in the world. We don't have time to always be an author, an actor, and a professional athlete. How many of you, that was some of your goals growing up? We don't have time. So if I was only going to live till 40, I only got 7 years left. So I'm going to have to visit my list, and I'm going to have to decide what am I going to want to do. And I've already decided what my life's purpose is. I love teaching people how to communicate. I'm a communication professor, and I just love public speaking. So I would finish putting together my videos and putting together material so I can live longer in writing and in video. And then I would go to my list, and I would cross that off, and then I would go on to my 6th thing until I hit 40. Thank you.